Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to invite a friend to use WhatsApp. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to get your friends on board with the world's most popular messaging app. First things first, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, you'll see a familiar interface with all your chats and contacts. Now, let's get started with inviting that friend who's still missing out on the WhatsApp experience. To begin, tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of your screen. This will open up a menu with several options. Scroll down and select Settings. Here, you'll find a variety of preferences and features that you can customize to enhance your WhatsApp experience. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option Invite a Friend. Tap on this to proceed. This feature allows you to invite friends who don't yet use WhatsApp to join the platform. It's a great way to spread the word and get more people connected. Once you've selected Invite a Friend, you'll be directed to your contact list. Here, you can browse through your contacts and find the friend you want to invite. Tap Invite beside their name. WhatsApp will automatically generate a message with an invite link for your friend to download and join WhatsApp. Now, all you need to do is send this message. You can choose to send it via SMS or another messaging service. Once your friend receives the message, they can click on the link to download WhatsApp and start using it. The process is straightforward and only takes a few taps. By inviting your friends to WhatsApp, you can enjoy seamless communication, share media, and even make voice and video calls. WhatsApp is free, secure, and available on multiple platforms, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking to stay connected. So, go ahead and invite your friends to join the WhatsApp community today. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, WhatsApp is sure to become their go-to messaging app in no time. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.